Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. So this is just an introduction video for the channel, what you're going to see on this channel. So I started 3D printing about a year and a half ago. I really enjoy it, making tools, making toys, models, different things that are just fun to make. I like being creative. So what this channel is going to be, it's going to be tips and tricks on your printers. I use mainly Creality. I have a CR-10 and an Ender 3. We'll do stuff with Cura. We'll also be doing time lapses of my prints, and what that is just as the printer goes, it's gonna snapshot the print. You'll see the final print. I'll even show probably my Cura settings on how I printed the project. You'll see my fails, you'll see my successes in prints and all of that. But 3D printing is not just printing toys or anything like that. You can print useful tools. This is a tabletop vise that I printed. Yeah, it's made of plastic, but for what I do, like hobbies and stuff, this is great. This cost about $3 to $4 to print. I mean, it's relatively cheap versus buying a metal one that's going to cost me $30 to $50. So, but it's also not just printing tools or useful things like spice racks and different things like that. You print pretty cool toys like this. This is a Venator Star Destroyer from Star Wars that I've printed and primered, and I've got to clean up some before I start painting. But also you can get, you're not really limited by the size of the printer. I mean, look at the size of this thing. This is the Battlestar Galactica that I printed. It took 16 prints to print this guy. But still, the detail, the fun, and you'll see me cleaning these up from start to finish. You'll see the time lapses, unfortunately not of that one, but you know, you can print cool things that are useful, or toys, or hobbies. Different things that are just fun to have around or work on. You can print things for your pegboard. This rack up here, these arms, I printed them that are holding that PLA up above my head. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos. You'll see time lapses, you'll see how to, you'll see maintenance on printers. Basically, I'm gearing this towards anybody that's wanting to get started, learning tips and tools and tricks that I've had to learn over the year and a half, either by watching YouTube or just figuring it out myself. And I want to make sure you guys are getting the right products for your printers too, and making sure your printers, you're taking care of your printers, because a good smooth running printer is an awesome thing, and it lets you do all kinds of cool things, just from simple prints to big gigantic prints as I showed. So I hope you guys like what you see. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you.